I'm out here in Las Vegas at Rat City Rukkas, and I know we got this music in the background, and I know it's gonna copyright us on YouTube, but I don't care, because I wanna show you guys what happens out here with these rat rods. Rat rods, man, I got something special for rat rods. I just really like them. Obviously our 49 Ford body swap BMW, it's kind of rat rod inspired, Mad Max inspired. So this is the rat rod culture. It's super cool. People are super friendly. It's Americana at its craziest, I think. So a lot of 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s cars. They're crazily modified, kind of from the old hot rodding. I think the history with something like this is that when a lot of these guys came back from World War II, they didn't have a lot of money, but they had a passion to build some stuff. They started to kind of chop and cut and build cars. And so low budget, building cars, rat rods. They're usually mix match, a bunch of different brands of parts, and just to make it work. So they go to junkyards and kind of just, piece stuff together. So we got everything here. We got all kinds of crazy stuff. So I just want to walk around this show. I'm gonna shut up talking, run some music on this thing, and I'm just gonna show you guys some of the cars that are out here. Stratosphere, or it's called the Strat Hotel now, in Las Vegas, is right behind us. This is the parking lot across the street from it. Really cool event, so this is going on all day today. And let's get going, let's get rolling.
Here with Maniacs Garage, here with Boxo tools today. Loving these awesome moto boxes, man. You got a wrench with a tire spoon. Super cool stuff. Got your axle tools, metric sockets, metric Allens. You've got screwdrivers, a hammer. Got to have the tape measure for setting that sag, right? And you've got a great set of pliers, including safety wire pliers. Bottom, you got a full set of end wrenches. Got to check your tire pressure. They also offer this awesome 5-drawer option with a huge drawer on the bottom to put all your own stuff. Go check them out at Boxo USA. Enter Maniacs at the checkout for a discount. Let's get back to our show.
dudes, I hope you guys liked this video. It's a good experience, kind of get an idea as to what goes on at Rat City Rukkas out in Vegas. This time of the year, every year. Really cool event. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is John. This is Maniacs Garage. God bless you guys. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com. Check out the merch we have on there. Hats, t-shirts, decals, and more.